What is the largest novel in the world? Yes, it is the right answer. The right answer is well. Let us appreciate it. This question goes to the fifth grade. Which is the small country in the world? Yes, it is the right answer. The right answer is Vatican City. Let us appreciate it. Where are you going? My name is actually Patel. That's why I'm going to go home. Do you want to try? Yes, please. Come, let us go. Come, let us go.
Now let us cut.
From the latest of the case.
Sing song. You cut the cake. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyoti. Will you and eat now Pani Puri? Oh, Pani Puri? No, I don't like Pani Puri. Because Pani Puri is junk food. One time eating, no problem, Jyoti. No, I don't like Rakshani. One time eating, nothing happened, Jyoti. Okay, let us go on.
Come to the center.
Yes, Pani.
Take me there. I will pay all the amount.
I will pay all the money. How much you want to eat, you can eat. Now
We have completed.
we have completed eating the Pani Puri. Now let us go to home. What happened, friends? That's why I told you to don't eat Pani Puri. Because Pani Puri is a junk food. Sorry, Jyoti. Will not eat again. It's okay. It's okay,
Yes.
and dear friends, eating junk food. If we eat junk food, we will get different types of diseases. If we out of the room and was going to kill. The mouse asked for forgiveness. After the lion let him go. After the lion fought into the neck. The mouse cut the neck with his teeth. The lion was free. The lion thanked for mouse. The moral of the story is do good have. Thank you.
I am going to share about introduce myself. My name is Kemal. I study in 5th Survive. My school name is SRV International School. My favorite food is dosha. My favorite teacher is Anand sir. My favorite game is cricket. My hobbies are reading book and playing game. My father name is Krishna. He is a farmer. My mother name is Padmama. She is a farmer. Thank you.
I am going to introduce myself. My name is Hazel. I am studying in 4th Koran. My school name is International School. I have one sister. My sister name is Akshaya. My hobbies are playing games and reading books. Thank you. I am going to introduce myself. My name is Rizal. I am 9 years old. My school name is SR Vidyaniketan International School. My father name is Govardhan. He is a businessman. My mother name is Lalita. She is a homemaker. I have one brother. His name is Virat. My favorite color is red. My favorite food is dosha. My hobbies are reading books and playing games. Thank you for giving this opportunity for introduce myself. My name is Shanti. I am from Vetri Koral. Now I am saying introduce myself. My name is Shanti. I am from Vetri Koral. My father's name is Srinivasulu. My mother's name is Jayasri. My school name is SR Vidyaniketan International School. My favorite food is dosa. My favorite color is pink. My great teacher name is Shanti. My favorite teacher name is Pinky ma'am. Thank you. Today I am telling myself. My name is Riya. I am studying in grade 3 and my father name is Manu. He is policeman. My mother name is Lavanya. She is homemaker. I have a brother. His name is Pranay. He is studying in grade 5 Hazel. My best friend name is Nikita. My favorite colors are red, purple. I want to become AIS officer. My name is Vaishnavi. I am going to say self-introduction. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in 2nd grade. My father's name is Narayana. My mother's name is Jayasma. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. I go to school every day.